Today, what are the levels crude should be focusing on is that yesterday close somewhere around $31 and previous the big rally candle that close somewhere around 30.80. You should be focusing on that. So if a close below 30.80 happened somewhere around half an hour, then I would go for a follow through breakout for target of 30 and 28.5, sorry. And I will be bearish once 4-hour candle gets closed below 30.80 levels, or a day candle which closes below this range. Then my bearish view will kick in. After that, then we'll look for a sign of reversal on the lower levels for bullish reversals. So what are the resistance on the upside is that the immediate resistance will be somewhere around the 30 to 20 regions, and if it successfully manages to break through it, then a small resistance level somewhere around 30 to 80, and the final one will be 33.40. If this gets broken, then there is a chance for crude to break 34.50. so at most resistance level you should be watching on is 33.40. If it manages to break and close, then there is a huge chance for upside to break 34.50. Why? Because is that now it's in lower level. Consider this as a double bottom. Yeah, this one it had taken support, and here also it has taken support. Previously, if you consider, you can see many rejections has happened. So this is the latest one. So I'm considering this one's first one, and this is as a second. So double bottom. What we can expect is that if it goes somewhere around this place 33.40, then there is a huge chance of breaking 34.40, because the bull ride will start to continue, because it will, if you mark Fibonacci retracement from year to year, this will come somewhere around 61 dollar level, above 61. So there is a huge chance for breakout of that, and 34 breakout is also possible, 34.60. If it successfully closes below 30.80, then 28.5 is on the cards. The first support level will be coming around $30 region. Consider it as a whole number support, the psychological region which bulls will not let go so easily. And once it breaks, then the previous region was 28.5, so that you should be focusing on. So RSI clearly indicating bearish sign. So whenever RSI goes near 40 and price goes near to the resistance zone, you can just short it with the previous swing line, or above maybe around 20 cents you can keep as a stop loss, and you can short there. Or once it breaks 40, then you should be looking out for RSI 60 in 30 minutes time frame. If it goes to 60, then if you find any resistance, if this level gets confluence, then you can short over there. RSI will not go directly from 40 to 60 or 40 to 80. No, there will be some resistance levels. Once it breaks 40, then 60 is the next resistance level. After taking some quite of a resistance there, if it success to manages to break that 60, then it can go to 80 all the way. So this is what I'm talking about. It will take resistance at 40, then it may try to come down. If it breaks that, then it will go near 60 and it will come down. After coming down, if it can take support at 42, then it can go to 80, then it comes. So this is how I'm using RSI. So these are the ranges you should be watching out very carefully. Once again, I will repeat the levels you should be focused on is that 30.80. Once it breaks, then go for a follow through breakout, and look for the resistance level somewhere around 3220 and 3280. Final one is 3240. If that breaks, then just wait for confirmations or a follow through breakout, so that you can able to keep your target somewhere around 34 or 60. These are the levels you should be watching on. Trade cautiously. And the API data suggested a big massive buildup in stockpile somewhere around 8.7, and compared to the previous weeks of minus 4.7. So there was a huge buildup, expecting price to react negatively to that. I'm also expecting the same number somewhere around 9 to 10 million barrels in crude oil inventory around 8:30, I think. So be careful with timing during these times. At 8 o'clock, 8:30 at Indian Standard Time, huge volatility will be there. So just be careful and trade with stop loss. There is no hope trading here, just probability. You should be able to win big when you're in profits, and you should be losing small when you're in loss. This is how the probability game should be. So just focus on that. Thank you.